This is my cat Prince. Yes, he's actually this cute. We converted a closet to make it into a new litter box station, and a friend of mine had a cat door called a kitty corner. So today, we're going to go in, we're going to buy one, and we're going to install it to see if it's just as easy as they say. Yeah, this isn't sponsored. What's in the box? This packet, the patented Hinge, installation template, and the instructions. The hinge is 14 inches long. This template is pretty simple. My kit is for a right swing door, more on that later. And the packet has a guide sticker and a thank you note with some Velcro. Now for a workspace and 2 sawhorses to hold the door. Now to remove the door. The hinges don't have removable pins, so the hinges come along for the ride. Lay the door on the sawhorses the right way. The template says doorknob on the right, other right. And let's tape the template to the door to keep it aligned. Holding it on the dotted line, we can mark our cut line. And then if I had really thought about it, I would have used the hinge to mark the line the first time. I set up my circular saw to a depth of 1/4 inch more than the thickness of the door to give a smooth cut. And now is a great time to like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out so that we can make more content like this for anyone wanting to learn DIY. Smoothing off the cut with a little sandpaper. And now to the installation. We line up the cut section and then see how our hinge should fit. When installing, make sure the hinge moves like this towards the doorknob edge of the door. This is the part where I conveniently misplaced the directions and attempted to just eyeball the hinge placement. And it shows. And boom, we're already reinstalling screws to attempt to get the right placement. This does require a little trial and error. Honestly, this is my only critique of the directions. There's little to no guidance on obtaining the proper alignment of the hinge. Oh, that's pretty close. Yeah, that's good enough for me. Let's hang this door back in place, securely driving the hinge screws and totally ignoring the unfinished floor. Okay, this is where my install goes a little different. I wanted the folded corner of the door inside this closet. This is the tiny change you have to make to let the corner fit past the doorstop. See? A nice little notch. Yeah, just a notch. Moving along. With that, we can shut our door. Yeah, we can do that again. If you fold the corner back down, the hinge holds pretty well, with a little expected wiggle room. To fold the corner up, we slide the corner up and out to unlock it, flip it, and it's good to go. Once we finish the closet, we have a nice custom door to give our cats a little privacy. Where's Prince? We gotta show him coming out of there. There he is. And there he goes, ready for a full day of sleeping under the bed. We hope you liked this video. If you did, please give us a like, write a comment, and ask any questions you might have. Also, we have affiliate links down below and the link to our Patreon if you'd like to help support the channel. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.